Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I have today a Tili box, which is the QVC Try It, Love It. So let's get in here and see what I've got. So I'm only half-heartedly joking about let's get in here and see what I've got. The last box that I put up was like a March box and it came at the end of April, and now here we are at the end of May, and I received about 2 weeks ago an email from QVC saying they weren't doing these boxes anymore and that I was no longer on auto delivery for them. And then this just arrived. So I don't know who to believe anymore. They had fallen so far behind, so far behind with these boxes. So I honestly do not know if this is an April box or a May box. I don't even know if you can purchase it. If you go over to QVC and type in Tili box in the search bar, I just don't even know. So let's get in here and see what I've got. It'll be a surprise. The front of it says, Tili, Try It, Love It by Lauren McBride. And we've already had one Lauren McBride collab, so this will be interesting. I have absolutely 0% idea what is in here. It feels much lighter than it usually feels though. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. In theory, this cost $25. I believe it was free shipping. In the past, it was usually worth it. You usually got one thing, maybe two things that were well worth the $25 you spent, and then the rest was mostly just samples. Having just opened my Beauty with Benefits bag, and knowing how fantastic all of the things that you got for free in that bag were, I'm anxious to see what I got for my $25. Right on top, we have a repeat. I've had one of these for sure. It is the Gold Fadden Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate, and it's a tiny little foil pack, 0.17 fluid ounces. And that is what it looks like. It's just a tiny little foil pack. I will attempt to cipher out a value of this tiny little foil pack. We also don't get any paperwork with this. I used to get a little piece of paper that at least told me what the products were and the ingredients, but I'm telling you, we got nothing this month. I think probably they're surprised they sent it as we are. Next I have, ooh, what is this? Satin Sleep Scrunchies by Kitsch Beauty. Seriously, so soft. That's interesting. It says there's 5 scrunchies in here. And it's a tube of satiny sleep scrunchies. I have to admit, I'm intrigued. My hair, I use a satin pillowcase because my hair is so fragile. Interesting, considering it's QVC. There's a price on the back. That's odd, right? This says, for all hair types and textures, glide through hair without snagging, creaseless alternative to traditional elastics, protecting hair from breakage and thinning, and can be used day or night. I actually have some of these Silk brand ones, the people that do the pillowcases. Silk? I think that's their name, although now I'm questioning it, but I feel like that's their name. So this will be interesting. Let's take one out and see how soft they are. Oh, they are very soft, but yeah. It's just a little scrunchie with a kind of satiny feel to it. There you go, and we happen to know this has an $8 value. Okay, next we have a Lancer, the Method Polish. I'm gonna guess it doesn't mean nail polish, that it's polishing my face, but let's see what it is. It is a 1/2 ounce tube of a Lancer polish. The box says to apply a small amount to damp skin, then gently massage over your face and neck and décolletage, avoiding the eye area. Interesting. If you've used this in the past, let me know what you think. Reaching in next, I have Soon Hydrating Blueberry Hydrogel Eye Patch. It's interesting that it says patch in the singular, right? The funny part is I got eye patches in the videos that I just did for my HSN and QVC Beauty with Benefits, and I was talking about an eye patch, and now here it is. I'm sure there are two, but it's funny that it says eye patch. The back of it says, this superfruit contains protective antioxidants, instrumental in brightening dull skin, fighting free radicals, and creating more youthful appearance. Our Blueberry Hydrogel Eye Patch formulation fuses nature, science, and combines blueberries with hyaluronic acid. Together they boost the skin's collagen levels, reduce discoloration, and assist in reversing the signs of aging. I am down for all of that. And it says cleanse under the eye area and dry thoroughly. Remove the eye patches from the tray and place dry. So there's 2. We don't have to share. This is the Tropez Self Tan Express. It is a 1 hour hydrating tan bronzing gel. 1 hour you're light, 2 hours you're medium, 3 hours you're dark. That is what that looks like. And it goes with, I would assume, this nice Saint-Tropez mitt down here. I got so many self-tanners last summer, and I kept saying, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it, and I just never did it. I need to do it from here down. You know, we're just not going outside at all anymore. So even the little bit of social sun that I would get, you know, walking to a car from a mall to the grocery store, I'm getting none of it. So I'm getting nothing but paler. So I may have to actually try this. It is 1.18 fluid ounces. Next I have a toothbrush. And it's from Super Smile. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, that strikes me as so funny. Every other month, if you guys have watched me unbox this box, every other month we've gotten that sad little box with the 2 little tubes in it of the Super Smile. Every month, and I kept saying, why do we keep getting this? This month, we got the toothbrush. We did not get the toothpaste. So here's a new toothbrush. I mean, in all fairness, who couldn't use a toothbrush? It feels really interesting. It's got, I don't know if you can see, it's like 3. It's interesting. I don't want to take it out because I'm not going to use it right away, but I have a Super Smile toothbrush. And last but not least, and what is going to make all of this work for me, I love beauty blenders. This is the one in Electric Violet. It looks far more electric. I'm looking at it to camera. It looks far more electric there than it does here. It's just got more of a purpley look here. But I love beauty blenders. They're $20. This was a $25 box, so everything else, yeah, I got a $5 toothbrush. Everything else only had to come to $5 to make it worthwhile, but I'm happy to have a beauty blender. I know some people think that they're overdone, that they cost too much. I don't necessarily disagree, but I haven't found anything that's completely comparable with them. I did get some of the smaller ones. They call them blushers here, but I don't use them for blushers. I use them for my under eye. From Aesthetica, I think, and they were really close to comparable, but I've never tried one of their big ones, but this is awesome. So that is my Tili box, and like I said, I don't know what month for. It could have been, I want to say March, April, or May. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it again. I'm just going to leave it. We'll let it ride. We'll see if we get it again because I kind of like what we get. It's worth the entertainment if nothing else. We got a beauty blender, so that's my hero product for me. I got a toothbrush. We have the Saint-Tropez Tan, the blueberry under eye patches, which we know we got 2 now. The gold Fadden dark circles, which if I can use the products in it, I'm definitely trying because your girl's got some dark circles. This is the nice Lancer polish. Let me know below if you guys have already tried that. And the nice scrunchies. So for sleeping, for not sleeping, whatever you'd like. That's the Tili box. Let me know below what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to come over. I hope you are having a great day. Please like, subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Take care, guys.